We don't we focus on the belief, we focus on the fact instead of the people. Okay, then we can use the sentence pattern. And let me give you another example. Okay, everyone, please read the second sentence. It's believed that.
It is believed that if you point at the moon, your east will be covered.
Okay, so have you ever heard this superstition? Yeah, so I remember when I was a child, one day I pointed at the moon, and right after that, I covered my ears. So this sentence pattern, you can see we start the sentence with is believe that. So it means people believe that if you point at the moon, your ears will be cut. Okay, so it's similar to the first sentence. Okay, and besides, we can also use this sentence pattern in a news report. So, for example, okay, everyone, please read the third example. It's reported that.
It is reported that a typhoon is coming soon.
Okay, so we start the sentence with is reported that a typhoon is coming soon. So this sentence it means that the news reports that a typhoon is coming. Okay, so we can use this sentence pattern in a news report, or you can use in your writing. Okay, and we can generalize the sentence pattern. So this sentence pattern, we start our sentence with it's, okay, and we can use the verb like said and believed or reported and else. You can see on your textbook page 214. There are other verbs that we can use in this sentence pattern. And right after that, we write down let somebody do something. Okay? So, any questions? If not, then let's do some practice. And look at page 215. Practice A. So, please finish question 2 to question 6. Okay. And later I will choose some of you to write down your answer on the blackboard. 2 more minutes. Okay, that's up. Now, question 2, number 17. Can question 3, number 24. Question 4, number 15. Thank you. Number 5. Question 5, number 19. Patient. Question 6, number 4. Don't wait. Okay, and let's check the answers together. So, question number 2, is that a new traffic regulation will come to effect next month? So, is it correct?
True.
Yeah. So, we just focus on the beginning of the sentence, is that, okay, and you just copy the the remaining of the sentence. Okay, so it's correct. And question number 3. Okay, question number 3 is believe that our solar system was formed about 4.6 billion years ago. So the sentence start with is believe that. Okay, and is it correct? Yeah. Okay. And let's move on to question number 4. Is show that the player has broken the old record in these tournaments. Okay, so the sentence starts with is show that. So is it correct? Yeah. Okay. And let's move on to question number 5. It is reported that a war may break out at any moment due to the tension between the two countries. So the sentence start with it is reported that. Yeah, so it is correct. And we have on question number 6. It is believed that certain animals with very keen senses can detect an earthquake that is about to occur. Okay, so the sentence always is believe that. And is it correct? Yeah. So, any question about these 5 questions? I think it's pretty easy, right? Okay, and let's look back to page 214. Okay, so on the top of this page, you can see there are 3 costumes from 3 countries, Spain, the UK, and Iceland. So we can take a quick look at these 3 sentences. So in Spain, it is believed that eating 12 grapes as the clock strikes midnight on New Year's Eve will bring you 12 months of good luck. So, can you get it? Okay. And for the UK, it is thought that saying white rabbit on the first day of the month before saying anything else will bring you good luck. Okay, so you have to say white rabbit on the first day of each month, and the British believe that it will bring good luck. And in Iceland, if you move to a new house, make sure you do so on a rainy day. It is said that these will make you wealthy. Okay, and so these are the 3 customs that people in Spain, in the UK, and in Iceland think if they do so, it will bring them good luck. And now I want you to think up according to our culture, our customs. So what will bring good luck? And you have to write down in the sentence after. You should start a sentence with is believe that or is say that. And don't worry, you can work with your classmates. So you can 2 or 3 people a group, and each group have to write down 1 sentence. Okay, and now I will give you 7 minutes. Okay, now you can find your confidence. 2 or 3 people.
三个，好，三个，我们3个地方。 类似这种，不要让就是像这种电好像像他们那种
自己想一个没？
他是要很好用啊，顶啊。
You can write down your sentence on your textbook.
就这样就好了，必要。
加速一下。
拜拜。Luna New Year, Go Temple, is pretty flat. Luna New Year, pretty flat. 那个 New Year 对，拜拜。没有，你就说 Go Temple。公益灯，bling bling。LED。 拜拜，开灯 ，B Y B Y 啊，B Y B Y， 拜拜，开灯呀，拜拜啊，拜拜，B Y B Y。B Y B Y。我你拿紧张。不然丢那个。许愿池啊，许愿池，许愿池，不用。Fred。呀，人家福鱼，人家没有。还是要喝。
而且那个Sure, I have brother.
看多少？讲什么？啊？钱播那种？啊？Luna New Year. Luna LUN. Yeah. And you Luna LA. Luna New Year and
Hello, are you finished?
Yes.
All right.
And please go back to your seats. And because of the time, so I won't ask each group to come to here and write down your sentence. I just pick
哦，哦，你擦掉重写啊？
哦，你拼错了。
啊，你错，啊，少一个一
绝对
啊。
不是啊，看单字啊，看单字啊。
上面这样写。
B 的前面少一个一。
哎，小雨者，你写的。
哪里少一个一？B 也啊，E。
哦。B L I E E E。
这个。
带个冰啊。一下开始。
Okay, and let's look at the sentence first. So, is believe that if people put the mother of money into wallet, it will bring money. So, what is the mother of money? What is the mother of money?
钱母。
Okay, so any question about this sentence? I think is correct, right? So the sentence starts with is believe that. So people believe that. Have you ever heard about this? No?
Yes.
Some will say yes, some will say no. Okay, and let's move on to the second sentence. Is believe that people will get good luck if they sit on the talk sheet. So do you understand? Okay. And any question about listeners? I think there's no problem. It's correct, right?
Yes.
Alright, so that's all for the first sentence pattern. Okay, and now let's move on to turn to page 217. So we are going to review the sentence pattern that we've learned yesterday. Okay, and I will write down some examples from you. So, you know that I have two cats, right?
Yes.
Okay, so. Okay, so everyone please read the sentence, no matter where.
No matter where I go, my cats will follow me.
Okay, so we sentence, what does it mean? It means that, for example, when I am at home, I go to the living room, my cats will follow me. When I go to the kitchen, my cats will follow me. When I go to the bathroom, my cats will follow me. Yeah, so we sentence it means in any situation, in all situations, something will happen. Alright, and let me give you another example. One of my cats is a ginger cat, or we can say orange cat. So orange cat eats a lot. Yeah, it is 7 kilograms.
哦。
Okay, in the second example, no matter how fat my cat is, it can jump onto the table easily. So we sentence it means it's 7 kilograms and it can jump onto the table easily, or maybe it grows to 10 kilograms. It can also jump onto the table easily. Alright, so still, it means in all situations, something will happen. So that's the sentence pattern, what we learned yesterday. And yesterday, I mentioned that we can use one word to replace no matter where.
Where?
Yeah, wherever. So we can say, wherever I go, my cats will follow me. And how about no matter how? Yeah. So we can say, however fit my cat is, it can jump onto the table easily. Okay? And I will share you another sentence, another sentence pattern that is similar to this one. Okay, so let's look at the third example. My cats don't play with whatever I buy for them. So in this sentence we got whatever. But in this sentence we can't replace whatever with no matter what. And actually whatever in this sentence it means anything that. So it means my cats don't play with anything that I buy for them. They just play with the plastic bag. Okay. And so how do we distinguish between these two sentence patterns? It's quite easy. So you just have to cover the parts of whatever or however or whenever. So if you cover the part of whatever, then you see whether the sentence, the remaining of the sentence is a complete sentence. So is it a complete sentence? My cats don't play with. No, it's not a complete sentence, right? If so, then whatever here, it means anything that. Okay, and let's look back to the first example. So if I cover the part of whenever, so is the remaining sentence complete? The remaining sentence, my cats will follow me. Is it a complete sentence? Yeah, it's a complete sentence. So in this case, whatever, it means no matter, wherever, it means no matter where. Alright? And let's take a quiz. I'll give you a quiz to test whether you have understand. give you 30 seconds to tell whether it is no matter what or anything what in the sentence, whatever happens. Alright. That's up. Now, if you think that whatever in here means no matter what, please raise your hand. Okay? Okay. If you think whatever means anything that's, please raise your hand. Okay. And so we just covered the parts of whatever and see whether the sentence makes sense, whether it is a complete sentence. So you need to stay calm. Is it a complete sentence? Yeah. So in Lee's case, whatever means no matter what. So it means no matter what happens, you need to stay calm. Okay? And there's some practice. Okay, so on the screen you see unfinished sentence, and you need to finish the sentence. I will give you like 30 seconds, and then we'll pick someone to answer. So you have to finish the sentence, no matter where I go. Okay, any volunteer? No. I'll pick someone. Yongqing. No matter where I go, I will remember my family. Okay? And I'll pick another one. Rachel.
No matter where I go, I will send you a message.
Okay, good. Okay, and so let's give Yongqing and Rachel a big hand. Let's move on to the next one. No matter who asks me out.
提醒你出去。
Okay,严谨。Oh, no matter who asks me out, I'm gonna say yes. Okay. And next one. Bora.
No matter who asks me out, I will stay home.
Okay. And let's give Linjie and Bora. And let's move on to the third sentence. No matter how much money I have. or you can say save it. You want to save your money, right? Okay. And next one, big red. Okay, no matter how much money I have, I will save both them in a bank, right? Okay, and let's give that a big hand. Okay, now I think so that's the end of the class. And remember, we got tests next week. Did I tell you? 我跟你们讲吗？有。下礼拜一那个第8课到学嘛，那下礼拜3是对考试第2个。